I let the sun come down without telling you exactly what I mean. And you might never know. I let the sun come down. I let the sun come down. I let the sun come down without letting you know exactly what I mean, exactly what you mean to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please don't let my death be about my death. Please don't make no movies about my death. Please make my death about my life. If you make a movie about my life, make it right. Please don't make no holograms, don't wanna do it twice. You wanna use my likeness, please approve it through my wife. And if you get the license, then you better use it right. Don't misconstrue my offerings to offer new advice. If I said it, I meant it. If I'm dead, I cement it. And cinder block cemeteries already ascended. I leave you my last name, I left on the last plane. Too much baggage, but you could carry on Bennett. I just wanna make sure that my words touch you. Pinky swear and kiss it, promise no one will hush you. Jump and hit the blocks, I promise you'll see the mushrooms. Clouds in the dust soon, leaving more thoughts than there are bristles on a brush broom. I let the sun come down. I let the sun come down, and you might never know. I let the sun come down. I let the sun come down. I let the sun come down without letting you know exactly what I mean, exactly what you mean to me.